Hey guys, it's Willi Vlogs here, aka Jace. And today, me and Chef Jarrett over here, we're going to be teaching you how to make fresh pizza in the microwave. First, we need an oven top cover. What you need is
the icing to spray the can.
Spray the pan, icing, pan. You get it. It lubes up the pan, whatever. And now we need the dough. So if we combine mayonnaise, put mayonnaise on there, and
Mashed potatoes.
Mash. Are you sure? Oh yeah. Mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got mayonnaise, icing, and mashed potatoes. Looking pretty good from here. Let's actually open the microwave and start setting this stuff in here. Okay. I'm gonna set all this stuff in the microwave. You got like the cooking spray. We got the dough. So now we need some sauce. I prefer Worcestershire sauce.
And sriracha sauce.
It's sriracha hot sauce. Now we need some toppings. Okay. We need fresh picked pecans. Some good toppings. Okay. We need hamburger. We can't forget that because it's got cheese on it. We need cheese for pizza. Come on.
A lemon juice for lemons.
Lemon juice. This is, to make it more juicy. It makes it very juicy. And the lemonade powder, makes it even more juicy because lemons make pizza juicy. It's proven fact. By many, by Greek gods.
What Greek gods?
The Greek gods.
Zeus made this one.
Zeus made all this happen. Shout out to Zeus. Shout out to Zeus. Love you, buddy. Alright, now we need
we just patted your chest.
The jelly. Oh, I got my chest. Alright, we need jelly because jelly makes everything better. It's my only explanation.
Now the plexus.
The plexus.
That makes everything better.
This is so we can make. This is so that the pizza is healthy. We've got to make the pizza healthy, so we got.
Pizza's not supposed to be healthy.
But this pizza is healthy, so we're gonna make this pizza healthy. And then we got this for the dressing to put on our pizza. So we're gonna just set it for 30 seconds and hit start, and I'll come back to you when it's done. Alright? Oh, I forgot one ingredient. We need the heart pattern plastic hot thing, oven mitt thing, but it's gonna be the plastic one with hearts. This is so our pizza's square and it's made with plenty of love. Am I right, Jarrett?
Can't.
Am I right, Jarrett?
Can't.
Okay, we gotta put that in there. Okay.
Nope.
Oh, I forgot the baking soda.
It goes right on the cheese.
Goes right on the hamburger. Make sure you put it right on the hamburger. And you just hit start and we'll be back when it's ready.
There you have it.
Just like that, you have fresh pizza straight from the microwave. And as you can see, since we put in that heart oven mitt, that plastic heart oven mitt, make sure it's plastic, it's hearts, and it's an oven mitt.
It's bread.
And it's square. It's gotta be square. It's
bread.
Bread, of course. Bread, graham crackers. you know, Twizzlers, whatever. It's good. You know, you just got fresh pizza and here. Oh, finally. Here.
Jeez.
Why are you throwing that at me? Is it not good?
You're so bad. You're so bad. You have no idea. You're so bad. Sounds like a drunk chimpanzee.
It's really good pizza. Go make it at home. Peace out.